From FX Empire, this is Christopher Lewis. I'm looking at Bitcoin for the 12th. You can see that we continue to see volatility. This is a market that has tested a uptrend line that I have on the hourly chart. Looks like we're going to perhaps try to bounce to 15,000. If we can break above there, then I'm convinced we go to 17. Otherwise, we could go down to 12. At this point, I think it's become obvious that as futures markets opened in Chicago, that killed a lot of the ridiculous volatility that this market had seen. It's still very volatile by other market standards, but really at this point, it's kind of become less of a retail market because of the cost of owning a full Bitcoin, $14,000 or more, depending on what day you're talking about. So if you are going to trade this market, I would suggest CFD brokers, just as you would another Forex instrument. In fact, there's a lot to be said that it's basically like trading the Australian dollar, at least since those markets opened up, or the pound or the Swissy or something. So at this point, I think a breakdown below the low, since it's the 12, a breakdown below 12 would have me shorting this market down to 10,000. It's not until we break above 15,000 that I'm convinced we're going to try to reach towards 17,000.